Okay, try yourself 22, right? So again, you have car A and B leaving the same place. One travel here and one traveling this direction. Okay, so how long will it take to be? They're both traveling at different speed, right? So car A is 60 kilometer per hour. Car B is 72 kilometer per hour. So how long will it take to be 8 kilometer apart? Okay, so overall, every hour, if I combine their speeds, right? So per hour, they are traveling 60 plus 72. Okay, so imagine every hour they are traveling this distance when they start from here, right? Then as every hour passes, they are further and further apart, right? As they go in the opposite direction. So to find out when are they 8 kilometer apart, okay, time taken, I'll take 8 kilometer divided by 60 kilometer per hour plus 72 kilometer per hour. Okay, so 8 kilometer divided by 132 kilometer per hour. So 8 divided by 132, I will get 2 and 33 hours. Okay, so this should be your answer. Okay, because 8 kilometer apart is really small. Okay, so try yourself 23. Okay, the speed limit for road is 60 kilometer per hour. How to express in meter per second? So 60 kilometer per hour, right, is 60 kilo per 1 hour. So I want to change this to meter. So I know that 1 kilometer is 1000 meters, right? So convert 60,000 meter. 1 hour is 3600 seconds. Why? Because 60 minutes times 60 seconds, so 3600 seconds. So I will get 60,000 divided by 3600, right? And I will get 16 and 2/3 meter per second. Okay, so this is how you convert. Right, so we have to write a statement. The speed limit is 16 and 2/3 meter per second. Okay, next one. A man walks 10 kilometers in 9 seconds. How to express this in kilometer per hour? Okay, so again, I'm going to write down the speed equals to 10 meter over 9 seconds. Now to convert meter to kilometer, right? So I have kilometer, meter. To convert kilometer to meter, I times 1000. So the reverse will be divide by 1000. Same for hours to seconds. Hour to second times 3600. Seconds to hours divide by 3600. So 10 meters, okay, because I'm going to have two fractions, I put there 10 meter divided by 1000 meter to get kilometer. So this is technically my kilometer. Okay, so we divide, right, because we divide by 9 seconds. So I'm going to write here divide by 9 seconds over 3600 seconds, because this is my hour. Okay, so this would be 1, 2, 3, 0.00123. 0.01, right? 0.01 kilometer. Okay, divide by 9 over 360 is 1 over 400 hours. Okay, so from here 0.01 divided by 1 over 400, okay, is 4 kilometer per hour. Okay, can let's double check our calculation. 10 divided by 1000, right? So this is correct. And then 9 divided by 3600. Okay, this is also correct. So your answer is 4 kilometers per hour. Okay, so finally we reached the last question. Alright, so now we have a train. This is my tunnel. Right, tunnel. This is my train. Alright. Okay, now they say the train passes completely through a 5.4 kilometer tunnel. 5.4 kilometer. Okay, in 1 minute 8 seconds. Average speed is 300 kilometers per hour. Find the length of the train. Okay, so now take note because they say passes completely through. So let's say if I move this nearer, okay, I'm going to redraw this. So let's say the train is just exactly at the entrance of the tunnel. Okay, just at the entrance. So from here, the butt of the train has to travel this distance of the train. So length of train. Okay, this butt of the train now has to travel this length of the train before it enters the tunnel and then exit. Right, so that means this whole distance here, this whole distance traveled by the butt of the train is 1 minute 8 seconds. Okay, so how do we find this whole distance? We find the distance traveled by the, okay, don't write but end of the train, by the end of the train okay, so 1 minute 8 seconds okay, multiply by 300 kilometer per hour. Okay, so you know that we need to convert 1 minute 8 seconds to hours. So 1 minute will be 68 seconds. Okay, divided by 3600 because I need the hours. So I will get 17 over 900 hour. Okay, times 3000 kilometer per hour. So I times this by 3000. Okay, and I get my distance traveled is 5 2/3 kilometer. Alright, so we find the distance traveled by the train. So this one is the distance traveled. Okay, so you want to find the length of the train, right? We need to minus off. So length of train would be this whole distance minus 5.4. So 5 2/3 kilometer minus 5.4 kilometer. Right? So I'm going to take this answer, oh, wrong answer, 5, you know, 5, 5, mm, okay, sorry, 5 and 2 third, okay, minus 5.4. Okay, so you get 4 over 15 kilometer. Okay, so that's the difference. So your line of train should be 4 over 15 kilometer. Okay, so please do your corrections accordingly. Okay, I will come and check on Friday. Right, then we'll move on to the next chapter.